good man. What's good, YouTube family? It's the girl Safi and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing some brown stew fish. So here I have some rainforest snapper that they've packaged and scaled and gutted already. So now I'm gonna just get this bag open, get my fish out and start prepping. So I can see that they're vacuum sealed already. Actually a great way for storing fish so that they don't get freezer burn. So thumbs up for that one, Rainforest. So let's get these out of the vacuum seal bag and see what's going on with them. Alright, so right now I'm having an issue. This is my first issue. Inside is actually gutted, but I'm noticing that there are scales on the fish. So in other words, I might have to be scaling these. It's not a lot, but based on what I'm seeing here, I might need to give these a scale for my preferences. Because as you can see there, scales are still on the fish. So after getting them scaled, I'll get them washed in some lime water, or you can use vinegar. Alright? And now I just want to make sure that I pat dry the fish before adding on the powdered seasoning. So pat, and then apply your seasoning. So here we have some happy snapper, nice, bathed, towel dry and ready to season. Alright? And you see them a smile, don't? So wait, I'm gonna show you something right here. So this is a nice technique for seasoning fish. So before you throw on the seasoning on the fish, sometimes it's nice if you can slice it. Just give it a few slices, maybe a 1 or a 2 slice. That way it actually helps to incorporate the seasoning into the flesh of the fish. Alright, so not too much slice, you know, just a nice little slit on the fish. Then you just throw on your seasoning and rub that in between the fleshes. Watch them, watch them. You see the fish, they must smile, don't it? Oh my God. They're smiling, I'm sure. So there was once a great chef who told me this. You see, food itself, think about food in a very precious way. You see how you go out of the bounds, go out of sea and go catch them fish here. You see when you cook them, you have to treat them with respect. Show them say you have a purpose for why you take them from them living place and come carry them come here. So you see me? So season them properly and cook them excellently. You understand? Just watch what I go on. So every great Jamaican knows so when you deal with some fish, some brown stew, you want something, either some rice or some yard food. So in my pot over here, so I have some dumplings, some banana, some yam, and some pumpkin. Cheers, my man. So let's flip this fish now. So you see that nice golden brown on that fish? Nice and crispy. Perfect for brown stew. You get me? Go and watch this video. Now for the great brown stew sauce, I'm gonna be adding some garlic, some onion, and some scallion. Give that a nice little stir. Then I'm gonna add some thyme, some Scotch bonnet, some tomatoes, and some ginger. Now some Irish potatoes, some carrots, and some pumpkin. Looking great already, isn't it? So you just want to kind of sweat those vegetables for a little while. Then we'll be adding some water. So we're adding some ketchup, some browning, some sugar, and we're gonna allow this to cook down until the vegetables are tender. Then you're gonna be adding in your fish. Watch look good, watch look good. Look at that steaming hot brown stew fish ready to eat. Well, it's not ready yet still, but it's getting there. So let's put these fish into the sauce. And there you have it. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks if you make it to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Make somebody know where you can get the up top recipe for brown stew fish. Until next time, see you soon.